In this section of the video, we take this monster truck on a test drive to see how it handles different environments. Off-road terrain. Test. We drive this RC truck over dirt, sand, rocks, and grass to check its traction, suspension, and climbing ability. Thanks to its 4WD system and shock absorbers, it maintains stability and smooth handling even on bumpy surfaces. Speed test. While the 15 km/h top speed isn't the fastest among RC cars, it's perfect for beginners and kids who want a fun and easy to control vehicle. The acceleration is smooth and the steering response is precise, making it enjoyable to drive. Battery life and charging. We tested the 7.4V 1500 mAh Li-ion battery, which lasted around 12-20 minutes, depending on speed and terrain. The charging time is approximately 3 to 4 hours, so having an extra battery is recommended for longer play sessions. Is this RC car worth buying? The HB ZP1005 ZP1010 remote control car is an excellent choice for kids and beginner RC enthusiasts looking for a durable, fun, and affordable off-road RC truck. Here's what we liked in areas for improvement. Pros: 4WD system for excellent off-road capability, shock absorbing suspension for smooth handling, durable build and stylish design, good battery life, 12 to 20 mins per charge, interference-free 2.4 GHz remote control. Cons: not the fastest RC car, 15 km/h speed may be slow for experienced racers, remote range varies 20 to 60 minutes depending on interference, takes 3 to 4 hours to charge, so extra batteries are recommended. Overall, this monster truck RC car is great for off-road adventures, casual racing, and beginner drivers. If you're looking for a fun and reliable RC car that can handle rough terrain, this is a solid choice. Final thoughts and where to buy. Would we recommend the HB ZP1005 ZP1010 RC car? Yes. It's a well-built, budget-friendly off-road RC truck that offers great performance for kids and hobbyists. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift, it's sure to provide endless fun and excitement. Where to buy? Check the link in the description to find the best deals and discounts.